Odoo accounting configuration and settings. This video covers the many settings found in the Odoo accounting application's configuration menu. To get started, navigate to the accounting app. Once there, go to Configuration, Settings. Here we'll cover all available settings. Let's start by learning about customer invoices settings in Odoo accounting and how to configure them. In this video, we'll explore how to configure customer invoices in Odoo and customize various settings to suit your business needs. Let's dive into the details. Default sending options. The Send and Print button in Odoo makes sending invoices easy. You can customize its default behavior to fit your workflow.
Here's how.
Print. Generate a professional, printable PDF version of the invoice. Send email. Automatically send an email to the customer with the invoice attached as a PDF. Send by post. This is a premium Odoo feature. It sends a physical copy of the invoice through postal mail to your customer. Ensure their full address is saved in the system to use this feature effectively. Line Subtotals Tax Display. You can choose how tax subtotals are displayed on invoices. Inclusive of taxes. Subtotals include tax amounts. Exclusive of taxes. Subtotals exclude taxes for clarity. This option allows you to provide your customers with transparent invoices that align with your business preferences. Cash rounding. If you accept cash payments, you might want to define the smallest coin or note you'll accept. With cash rounding, you can easily configure this. To set it up, enable the feature. Click the button to define and manage rounding rules based on your currency. This is especially useful for businesses operating in regions where cash rounding is standard. Default Incoterm. Incoterms simplify international trade by clarifying the responsibilities of buyers and sellers. In Odoo, you can set a default Incoterm for all transactions involving the export or import of goods. This saves time and ensures consistency in your global trade operations. Default terms and conditions. Want to add standard terms and conditions to your invoices? Odoo allows you to set default terms that will automatically appear on every invoice. You can always customize or override these terms for specific invoices, providing flexibility while maintaining a professional touch. Snailmail. If you prefer sending physical invoices, Odoo's Snailmail feature has you covered. Here's what you can do. Send invoices and payment follow-ups by post. Customize the output with options like print in color, print both sides, or add a cover page. Note, this is a paid feature that requires stamp credits. For more information on buying stamp credits, check out Odoo's official website. Warnings. Enable the warnings feature to set up alerts for specific customers. These warnings can notify you of important details about the customer. Block certain workflows if necessary, ensuring critical issues are addressed before proceeding. This feature helps you manage customer relationships effectively and avoid errors in the invoicing process. Intrastat. For businesses operating in Europe, Intrastat is a must-have feature. It allows you to collect data on trade between European countries, generate accurate statistics to comply with trade reporting regulations. By enabling this feature, you ensure seamless compliance with European trade laws. Sale receipt. If your business frequently deals with customer receipts, Odoo offers a sale receipt feature. Enable it to quickly create and issue receipts for customer transactions, streamlining your sales process. Conclusion. And that's a wrap on configuring customer invoices in Odoo. We've covered everything from default sending options to advanced features like Snailmail, warnings, and Intrastat. These settings empower you to customize invoices for your business needs while maintaining professionalism and compliance. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.